how to turn on dark mode on Twitter. So if you want to turn on the dark mode on Twitter on your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with my Chrome browser. Then go with the search, and under search you need to search for x.com or twitter.com. It's the same thing. Once you entered, now it will take you to the Twitter website, and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now you just need to simply go with the left side, and here you just need to go with more option. Under more you need to go with settings and privacy. If you're using the application, it's the same thing. So once you're under the settings, now you just need to simply go with the display option. So go with accessibility, display and languages, or you may also have an option of display only. Then simply tap on display. Once you tap on display, again go with the display option, and here you can simply choose the font size or the color or the background. So if you want to turn on the dark mode, then simply go with the lights out option, which I'm using right now. So simply click on the lights out. Once you click on lights out, then you'll be able to have the dark mode. Or you can go with the dim option and you'll be able to have this kind of interface. Or go with default and you will have the light mode. So I'll be choosing lights out. And that's it. That's how you can use the dark mode on your Twitter. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.